Hi guys, Monday Money here, and today we are going to talk about how to earn money online by the version of the Economic Times webs. So, earning money has typically been associated with restricted to the traditional offline route, with the internet taking over the large part of our lives. More people are looking into ways to earn money online to increase their financial inflows with secondary income streams. You should be mindful of the platform that you are opt for. While there are numerous ways to earn money online, some of these might be fake. Also, do not expect to earn a huge amount quickly when using online events to earn money. Now, with the situation involving more time at home and or more free time in general, maybe favor working hours for some of you might have some free time on hands. There are the few online platforms, website, and tools that can help you to earn money online. First one is freelancing. Freelancing has always been popular way to earn money online, and the internet has several options. There are several websites offering freelance tasks for the people with varying skills. All you need to do is just create an account, browse through the listings, and apply to the tasks that suits you. Some websites may even require you to create a personal lighting listing with the details of your skill list so that increased client can contact you directly. Outfiverr.com, Upwork, freelancer.com, and workhire.com. Some websites that provide freelancing jobs. You can earn anywhere between $5 to $100 these websites. But remember, you will only get paid once you successfully complete the given tasks and it has been approved by your client. This may even mean revising the work several times unless the requirements of your clients are met. Some sites may ask you to set up PayPal account, as most clients prefer to make payments digitally via it. So second one is starting your own website. This is enough material available online to help you put together your own website. This includes choosing the domain themselves, layout, and overall designed for your website. Once ready to serve the vision with the relevant content, sign up for Google AdSense, which when appear on your websites are clicked by the visitors, help you make money. More more traffic you get on your website, the more will be the potential for the higher earnings. Affiliate marketing. Once your website is up and running, you could opt for the affiliate marketing by allowing companies to interest website links on your site. This is like symbiotic partnership when visitors to your site buy products or service by clicking on such links, you earn out from it. So, 4. Surveys, searching, and reviews. There are various websites offering money to undergo online surveys, carry out online searches, and write reviews to the products. To get the credit, one needs to discover the certain information to them, including one's banking details. This is why you should use this routine with utmost care. Some of them may even ask you to register with them before working on the products. The most important to watch out in such products is you stay away from websites offering money that appears too good to be true. Be careful while evolving the reputation of the website, as many of them could be scam. Most sites promote business, showing copies of the cheaper payments which may have been given for the middleman only. Virtual assistants. Doing all the corporate stuff from one's home is what virtual assistants does. Virtual assistants basically work remove with their clients and manage the aspects of their business that's they are too busy to handle themselves. When you work as a virtual assistant, you can choose your work to employer or you can set up your own business. VAS are skilled home-based professionals that offer companies, businesses, and entrepreneurs administrator supports. Some of the major areas of work includes marketing, making phone calls, email correspondence, internet research, data entry, searching appointments, editing, writing books, keeping, marketing, blogging management, proofreadings, project management, graphic design, stitch support, customer service, event planning, and social media management. Becoming a virtual assistant may require some degrees of traditional briefing, depending on your qualifications. However, if you possess good communication skills and capable of using applications like Microsoft Office, you can just sign up on a site such events.com 24/7 virtual assistants matched EA help, freelancer flex jobs, people per hour, using .me, Upwork, virtual assistants, virtual staff engineer, worldwide 101, ZipTask, ZipTrue, and so on. So next, language translating. Knowing a language other than English may even help you to earn some extra money. There are several websites that offer traditional projects that require traditional documenting from the language into another. This may include Spanish, French, Arab, German, or many other languages to or from English. For many, this can make the task-related time custom, and therefore they hire translators available online from anywhere across the globe. Several websites such Freelance in Fiverr.com, Workwire.com, or Upwork.com offers you a platform to professional translators. Those who do not have the knowledge of the time to complete their projects on their own put their work on these platforms where you can register and start bidding or translating jobs and get paid to the average like one average 5 per word. This can go up as 10 average for some languages. Online tutoring. If you are an expert in the particular subjects, you can earn tutoring people online. Online tutoring provides the means of the connect online with the students of all ages across the country to provide homework, help, and tutoring the subjects for which you have demonstrate experience. One may sign up to the website like vedantu.com, myprivatetutor.com, bahartutors.com, tutors india.net as an online tutor by creating a profile and listing the subjects or classes you want to teach, how much experience you have, what your qualifications are, or something like that. Some of the platforms may offer flexible and convenient time to work as an online tutor. Most platforms follow this process. They ask you to apply for filling the simple form, after which the teaching demo will have to given their experience. Once the selected documents and profile creating will be done, followed by the training and includes a webinar. Once you attend to the webinar, you will be listed as the teacher and will get your online sessions of the conduct. Beginners can make around 20 per hour, which can go 50 years, and you gain experience. Okay, next, social media marketing strategy. In addition to the increasing with the friends and strategies, social media network platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat can be used to make money. Competitive companies and brands pay social media strategies to future boost to the popularity of their products with a lot of the competitions around the constantly shortage of attention time of online viewers certainly is essential to the create post videos or something like that that can go viral quickly and enhance the brand value. Remember, social media needs to dedicate times and energy to stay relevant. Hence, you need to share posts frequently and increase with the followers and regular basis. Web designing. Not all business owners are tech savvy, but their needs of their hour is to have the website of their own. Those who have connect for all things tech, especially relevant to the website, can help small businesses set up their own websites and earn money from it. Coding and website designing are the essential ingredients in setting up website. Future website needs to maintain and may require frequent updates, which may add owns revenue. Next, content writing. Online platforms can be a good starting point depending on the quality of the artist. On one gets paid, so one may be asked to work up on articles with specific guidelines as well. Develop a niche in your area experience and build the strength in that domain, increase the revenue stream.